sit-ups versus crunches, which is better for weight maintenance? Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. When it comes to maintaining your weight, choosing the right exercises can make a big difference. Sit-ups and crunches are popular core workouts, but which one truly reigns supreme? Let's break it down. Sit-ups, full engagement. Sit-ups target not only your ABS, but also your hip flexors, back, and core muscles. They're great for building overall strength and stability, making them a solid choice for those looking to maintain a strong foundation while managing weight. Crunches, focused core activation. Crunches, on the other hand, isolate the abdominal muscles more effectively. This focused approach can help sculpt and define your ABS, which is essential for those aiming to maintain a toned appearance without excess body fat. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic: calories burned versus muscle engagement. While both exercises contribute to calorie burn, sit-ups generally engage more muscle groups, leading to higher overall energy expenditure. However, crunches can be performed in higher volumes, adding up in calorie burning throughout your workout. Incorporating both for balance. For the best results, consider integrating both sit-ups and crunches into your routine. This combination can provide a balanced approach, helping to build strength while also promoting fat loss, supporting your weight maintenance goals. No matter which exercise you choose, consistency is key. Pair your workouts with a balanced diet and proper hydration to maximize your efforts. Keep pushing forward, and remember that every rep counts.